Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix DLL missing problem without any software. So firstly, open any web browser. Now type dll-files.com and press enter. Now click on this PC. Open C drive, Windows, scroll down. Now open System32. Most of DLL file you will find in here. So if you have any error or problem with DLL file, so just you need to copy that file name, like you want to you need this DLL file, so just right click on it, rename and copy this file name. Now paste here that DLL file name and press enter. So you will find this DLL file, just open it. So friends, here you will find download link. So download as your PC requirement, like a 32-bit or 64-bit. So if your PC required 32-bit, so download this link, and if your PC has 64-bit, so download this link. And if you want to check your PC's bit, it's 32 or 64, so just type this PC in search bar, right click on it and click on properties. So here you will can find system type. So in my case it's 64-bit. So as your requirement, click on download. It will download automatically, and here you will find all the information where you want to paste this file, like in Windows 95, Windows XP Vista or 10. So just open this file, copy this file. So open C drive. So type this PC, C drive, now Windows, and open now System32 and paste that file here. Click on continue. So that's it friends, by this very easy and quick method we can fix DLL missing problem without any software on Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.